Hello and welcome to Toollever, your best tool review site. Today I'm excited to review the Goxawee Rotary toolkit, model number G4007. This is a budget-friendly alternative to the more popular Dremel Rotary tool. It's an ideal choice for all your DIY carving and handcrafting needs. Plus, it's a fantastic addition to your toolkit, particularly for carving pumpkins or those spooky Halloween decorations. Stay tuned and let's explore this kit. But before we start, thanks to Goxawee for sponsoring this video. This is a 140-piece rotary hand toolkit. It comes in a solid molded plastic carry case. The case has a nice handle and functional latches that keep it closed. Some of the accessories you get in this kit include a flexible shaft, a box of discs, bits and sanders, and some replacement parts. And of course you get the tool itself. It plugs to a 120 volt outlet and has a 1.3 amp brushed motor which has a speed range of 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. This kit is made in China. And here is a summary of everything you'll find in the kit. So let's put this tool to test. I'll start by cutting a piece of plastic using the mini HSS cutting disc, and this is how you assemble it. Remember to install the blade guard to protect yourself from the debris and the spinning disc. Now let me try to make some holes into the workpiece using one of the drill bits. You don't need a blade guard when drilling a hole, so I'm going to remove it and install my bit. Now it's time to try the flexible shaft. This is an extremely useful accessory for working in tight spaces, but do not overuse it because it overheats when used for a long time. So there you go, that's the Goxawee G4007 Rotary hand toolkit. Quite powerful but loud. It is also fairly hefty for small hands, but great value for money. It is an excellent budget-friendly choice for your DIY craft and carvings. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in the next video. And if you have not subscribed, this is your time to show some love. Bye bye.